YouTuber.
Hello, and this is actually my voice review, so... Okay, so we just put the Five Below and we have some stuff that we want to do with y'all, okay? So I got this. Let's open it up.
Scissors.
I chose violins. Okay, let's see.
Wait, look how cute this is.
Oh my gosh, it's actually adorable. Okay, now let's do this. I saw this at Five Below and I was like, oh my gosh, I just have to.
Oh, this is so cute.
Okay. I really wanted this one, oh my god. Okay. We have this. I love this actual movie. It's so cute. So we're gonna do it.
There's stuff inside of here.
So,
Oh, they're little markers.
hi.
I got a whole different book.
Where'd you go?
Five Below.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh, I should have known you were gonna beg for something.
Yep. Okay. Now.
Well, I guess I gotta go buy Connor something.
Okay. Bye.
Look how cute.
Okay. Pull it out. Oh my god, it's the one that I actually wanted. It's like adorable. I love it.
Oh my god, it's so ugly.
I know, just like you.
Oh, I need to open this. Okay. See that? Rip.
Did it rip all the way?
Finally. Here. Got it. Go. Oh, I don't know what the guy is.
Oh, it's a penguin.
No, it looks like Tokoyami from My Hero Academia.
That's the one that she got.
Yup. Now this one I'm really excited for.
Because it's Mona's life that I'm on YouTube.
I'm struggling here. Okay, then I got it. Okay, I opened it. It's so cute. I recommend you go to Five Below right now and get the stuff. Anyway, we're going to move on to the candy. Let's try this.
Yeah, I've never tried these.
Here. Got some wax candy, so let's move on.